Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this turn signal light on the side of the fender on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To remove this turn signal bulb, we have this vehicle off the ground a little bit, but you could actually have it on the ground. When you're doing this, I'll have the wheel turned a little bit. Grab this inner fender well here. You can just peel it back a little bit. You can reach in there and grab the back side of this light, push down on the tab, and then push it out. This is the tab that I was pushing down. I was in there, just push it down, push the assembly out, disconnect the connector right here, pushing it down, or unscrew the light socket, pull the bulb out, you can replace the bulb. This is a 194 amber bulb. Just line it up, the socket, and push this back in, twist it, connect the connector. Then there's a little tab right here on this side. That side goes in first. And then just push the light in. Readjust the inner fender well. Just push it back into position.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.